Hello aspirants. Have you ever wondered that why UPSC wants you to write an essay paper in the mains examination? Is it only to test your English proficiency and nothing else? Satish Chandra Committee in 1992 recommended that there should be a compulsory paper in the form of essay examination in the mains paper. And it can be written either in English or any of the Schedule 8 languages of the Indian Constitution. So definitely it is not only about the English proficiency. Then what is it all about? It is about testing your comprehension skills. It is about testing your analytical abilities. That can you assimilate your ideas in an integrated manner or not? But now you would think that, sir, it was about 1992 and today we are in 2025. Is this idea still relevant even after 30 years? Yes, my dear friend. UPSC clearly gives a directive in the form that the candidate must write closely to the topic in a concise manner. Their ideas must be arranged in an orderly fashion and the expression should be exact and effective. So what has changed? बदल क्या गया है इन 30 सालों में? Earlier, the topics were of GS topic based. They were of GS nature, जो आप जनरल स्टडीज में पढ़ते हैं. But after 2016, 2017, the shift has been towards the opinion based and philosophical essays. And this is where the most aspirants struggle to score marks. Now, with our experiences of over 3 years and our discussion with our toppers at Kalam IAS like Chaitanya Giri, Katyani Singh of last year, and Manish Kumar, Aishi Chaudhary of this year, who have consistently scored more than 130 marks in essay paper, we have identified that someone who has control over the previous year themes of essay topics, they are able to consistently score more than 120 marks in the essay paper. And at the same time, there are aspirants who fail to score more than 80 to 90 marks in this paper. Now, where is this gap? What exactly is happening between these marks of 80 to 90 and 130 plus? Let us take a look that problem आखिर है कहाँ? Every year, 12,000 aspirants write mains examination and each aspirant write 2 essays. It means they have around 24,000 essay copies, 24,000 essays to check. And believe me, with our experiences, we have seen that more than 60% aspirant write in pastel approach, which is outdated, generic, and this is not helping you to score in the philosophical based topics. Now, one problem is pastel approach, generic approach. Now, if you think just an examiner, you are an examiner, and you have to check a certain amount of copies daily. And if the same number of format is coming again and again and you are seeing the same generic approach in each copy, you would not be happy. As an examiner, you would be impressed when you see something different. So that is where you have to work upon. That is where the toppers are working upon. Means they are generating macro dimensions in a two-way communication process and not just a monologue dialogue, a man ki baat wo nahi kar rahe hain. They are talking in terms of macro dimensions, generating questions out of the philosophical topic. The second problem that I observed is evaluation. There's a huge gap in the evaluation. A student buy very costly test series and they get standard framework, standard evaluation, good, very good, can do better. There is a gap between evaluation of philosophical based essays. Now, this could be filled with face-to-face evaluation where you would be able to learn what are your mistakes, where you can improve. Did you interpret the essay in a rightly manner or not? This is where I see the gap is, which is leading to some aspirants who are clearing the mains, but still they are not getting into the list because of essay marks, as their marks are generally below 100 marks. Now, this year, the trend of essay marks has seen a downward line. Now this is with all of the aspirants. Now this is with all of the aspirants. Every aspirant in this mains examination has seen a downward trend in their essay marks. But this doesn't mean that we have to change our approach in a very drastic manner. We have to stick towards our approach. Now you would ask, sir, आपने problems के बारे में बता दिया, solution क्या है? Now the solution lies in the EMI program, that is Essay Marks Improvement Program of Kalam IAS. Now the solution lies in the Essay Marks Improvement Program of Kalam IAS, where all your problems would be solved completely. Be it introduction, be it conclusion, be it about anecdotes, quotes, poems, movie references, how to generate macro dimensions, how to transition from one dimension to another at a micro level, how to generate questions in the form of philosophical ideas. Everything is covered in the form of recorded lectures, which would clear your concepts, and Kalam Golden Pages will give you some standard frameworks which would help you to increase your 20 to 25 marks in each essay. Because in Kalam Golden Pages, you would be getting a ready-made framework on each theme that I've identified, around 21 themes, and in those 21 themes, you would be getting a set framework to deal with every topic. Then we can talk about essay framework writing workshops. We would be having 6 live workshops where you would be writing an essay topic of 1.5 hours each, and then we would be discussing the same essay topics in the class itself. This would help you to analyze your mistakes here in front of me only. Then we would be talking about this personalized face-to-face feedback. If you are writing the test series of Kalam IAS, or you have appeared anywhere in the market, be with any institute, you can come to us, bring your test, and we will give you an opportunity to have face-to-face evaluation with me. Now this would make sure that आपको पता चले that where is your mistake, what mistakes are you committing, and you can work upon those mistakes, and finally you can score a very good marks in the essay paper. Along with this, we would be giving you marks improvement booklet. Along that, we would be giving you marks improvement booklet, that is MIB. Now MIB would take care about anecdotes, quotes, poems, and recent case studies, examples, best practices that can be included in your essay to give you an edge over your competitors. The main focus of EMI program is about teaching. The main focus of EMI program is about teaching you how to write scoring essays. Now, if you think that Essay Marks Improvement Program can add value to your essay preparation and it can mold your essays to be more scoring essays, then you can contact us at our office or our numbers during office hours and meet us in the live workshop sessions for EMI program. And make sure, it might be that you would be next in the list in the 2025 examination. So take care, all the best, Jai Hind.